Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Syafa Mazidatul Aufa, NIM 22220144 dari Prodi Administrasi Bisnis. Case 1. United States suppresses Italy for most COVID-19 deaths. COVID-19 case in the United States suppressing Italy in the highest number of deaths is a very sorry situation. This shows the complexity of the challenge facing the United States in dealing with this pandemic. Some factors that may cause this include 1. Population size. The United States has a large population than Italy, which means there are more people at risk of exposure to and falling victim to COVID-19. 2. Leadership and strategy. Government response to the pandemic, including testing, contact tracking, and vaccination policies, can have a significant impact on the number of cases and deaths. Difference in approach between the United States and Italy may also have influenced the result. 3. Access and inequities in the health system. Accessibility issues and inequities in the United States health system may cause some groups to be more vulnerable to COVID-19 and have limited access to necessary care. Solutions to resolve this situation include 1. Increasing vaccination effort. The United States must continue to increase vaccination efforts, including increasing accessibility and educating the public about the importance of vaccination. 2. Implement strict mitigation policies such as mandatory mask, social policies, and reduction in mass activities must be implemented and strictly followed to reduce transmission of the virus. 3. Increasing testing and tracking. Mass testing and effective contact tracking are critical to identifying and isolating new cases and preventing future spread. Addressing inequities in the health system. Steps must be taken to ensure that all people have equal access to necessary health care, including testing, treatment, and vaccination. Case 2. E-learning killed education. Opinion about learning killing education usually arises from negative experience of difficulty faced by some individuals or groups in adopting this learning model. However, it is important to remember that e-learning is not the direct cause of the decline in the quality of education, but rather how the technology is implemented and adapted to student needs. Some problems that may arise with e-learning and appropriate solution include 1. Limited technology accessibility. Not all students have the same access to the device and internet connection required for e-learning. Solution to this problem could involve providing affordable device and internet access, as well as creating learning programs that can be accessed offline. 2. Limited social interaction and motivation. Learning can reduce social interaction between student and teacher, which can affect learning motivation and the overall educational experience. Solution to this includes introducing interactive elements in a learning platform, such as online discussion, question and answer session, or collaborative project. 3. Difficulty understanding and individual support. Some students may have difficulty understanding material independently in a learning environment. Solution may involve the use of additional resources such as video tutorial, online tutoring, or discussion forum to support student understanding. 4. Loss of practical experience. Some subjects, such as natural science or the art, require hands-on experience and practice that is difficult to transfer to an learning environment. Solutions to this include the use of simulation, practice video, or project assessment based on practical application of the material. Inability to measure understanding effectively. Teacher evaluation and feedback can be more difficult in a learning environment. Solutions to this include the use of online evaluation tools, project-based assessment, or small online class to provide more personalized attention. It is important to remember that e-learning, if implemented well and adapted to student needs, can be an effective tool for improving the accessibility, flexibility, and quality of education. However, a holistic approach and appropriate adjustment are needed to overcome the challenges that may arise. Case 3. Food waste is the world's dumbest problem. The idea that food waste is the stupidest problem in the world is a gross underestimation of a problem that is actually very serious. Food waste has a broad and detrimental impact, both from an economic, social, and environmental perspective. Below are some reasons why food waste is such an important problem and possible solution. 1. Global food balance. Although many people in the world are hungry, enough food to meet everyone's needs is actually produced every year. However, most of this food is waste. Solution: develop a more efficient food distribution system and strengthen infrastructure to develop for food to those in need. 2. Environmental impact. Unutilized food production waste natural resources such as water, land, and valuable energy. Additionally, rotting food waste in landfill produces greenhouse gas that contributes to climate change. Solution: increase our awareness of the environmental impact of food waste and encourage practices such as food recycling or composting. 3. Social injustice. Food waste is waste of resources that could be used to feed people in need. Apart from that, wasting food also has an impact on increasing food price, which can burden financially disadvantaged people. Solution: increase food accessibility for everyone by developing food distribution program and empowering communication to manage that for resources. 4. Economic loss. Food waste also means waste of money and resources used to produce that food. Solution: adopt for efficient practices in the food supply chain, such as reducing waste at the production, transportation, and sales level. Understanding and awareness of the importance of the food waste problem as well as implementing appropriate solutions are very important to everyone this problem. With this direct action, we can reduce food waste and achieve a more sustainable and equitable food system for everyone. Case 4. Overpopulation. Overpopulation refers to a situation where the population of an area exceeds the capacity of the environment to support its ongoing basis. This is a serious problem that can lead to a variety of negative consequences, including stress on natural resources, the environment, the economy, and social welfare. Opinions about overpopulation may vary, but many experts agree that action needs to be taken to address this problem. Some opinions and solutions about overpopulation include 1. Birth control. One of the main approaches to reduce the rate of population growth is through effective birth control program. This could include outreach campaigns on family planning, better access to contraception, and support for responsible reproductive discussion. 2. Education. Quality education, especially for women and children, has been shown to be associated with reduced population growth rates. Providing better access to formal education, skills, and information about reproductive health can help reduce the desire to have large number of children. 3. Increase economic well-being. Poverty is often associated with high rates. Improving economic conditions, creating decent jobs, and providing better access to health and social services can help reduce population pressure. 4. Sustainable development. Implementing sustainable development practice, including waste management of natural resources, renewable energy, efficient agriculture, and planned urban development can help reduce the negative impact of overpopulation on the environment. 5. Global collaboration. Overpopulation is a global problem that requires a collaborative response from countries and international organizations. Cooperation in terms of trade, development assistance, technology exchange, and knowledge exchange can help reduce population pressure globally. Recognizing and addressing overpopulation requires a holistic and sustainable approach. Through the joint effort of government, communication, and organization, we can work towards a more balanced, sustainable, and prosperous society for all its citizens. Thank you.